The video is a hike to Lungchutse Goenpa. It starts from Dochula Pass and walks us through a trail that runs into forests of hemlock and rhododendrons. Just before you start the journey, you get to graze the 108 stupas at Dochula and offer prayer for a beautiful journey. It is 2 hours journey that provides excellent opportunity to explore the flora and fauna. Going into the woods of hemlock and rhododendrons, you smell soil and the flowers. The forest is grazing ground to yaks and hosts various plants and animals. You receive a big welcome with floor carpeted by petals of rhododendrons. As the trail continues, you reach to grassy meadows filled with clusters of little purple primroses. I could feel the cool breeze blow over my face. Reaching at the temple on the mountain top, you get 360-degree view of the entire places around. Here, the earth almost touches the sky. The view of mountains with evergreen trees offered great view and refreshed my mind. Birds sang me farewell songs as I returned back from my lonely voyage. It was refreshing and a great getaway from modern happenings to build connection with nature. Going into the woods, I had the forest and mountains all to myself.